Hello everybody, welcome to GIS Pathshala, Grade 7 Social Science History, and our chapter 3 is about Delhi Sultans. See now in the previous video lectures in the last chapter we have learned something about the south side where the Cholas dynasty was there, Chola rulers were there and how they have covered most of the part of the South India. Now we are moving towards to the North India. As you know, Delhi is in the North India. So now how Delhi became the famous, popular and main city. Now we will know something about that in this lesson. See Delhi Sultanate. See before the Delhi Sultanate, I want to say something about the things what we have done in the last lecture, in the last chapter. See, we know that the Cholas were there in the South India and North India, the different rulers were there. But in the beginning, there were the native rulers were there. Native rulers were there. But afterwards, the rulers came from the outside of India, foreign invaders. Foreign invaders came, they fought with the Indian rulers, native rulers, and they took the hold on those places. In the last chapter, you know, Muhammad Ghori defeated whom? Prithviraj Chauhan III, and he took over the things of Delhi. First time Prithviraj Chauhan defeated Muhammad Ghori, but second time when Muhammad Ghori came, he defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and he took the hold of the place. What happened? And before that, Prithviraj Chauhan was in the Chauhans were near the Ajmer side. But Prithviraj Chauhan defeated the rulers, native rulers of Delhi, who were there in the Delhi, and he took the part of the Delhi also under his kingdom. He took the part of Delhi under his kingdom. After that, Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and he took the hold on the place Delhi. So like that Delhi Sultanate started. Means the foreign ruler out of the India. Previously the native rulers were there. वहाँ पे हमारे ही रूलर्स थे. बट बाहर से आने वाले रूलर्स ने हमारे रूलर्स को हरा दिया और वहाँ पे अपना कब्जा बना लिया. Like that. So now see the Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate refers to kingdom that was based on Delhi. दिल्ली में जो भी किंगडम था, दिल्ली पे जो भी रूलर्स थे, उसका किंगडम्स को बोलते हैं दिल्ली सल्तनत. किंगडम मीन सल्तनत, वर्ड इज द सेम. द सल्तनत एग्जिस्टेड फॉर 320 years. 320 years they ruled. Its rulers were called sultans. Its rulers were called the sultan, means one type of king. At its zenith, Delhi Sultanate covered most of the Indian subcontinent. See, its zenith means when they were very powerful, they were strong. They covered the most part of Indian subcontinent. It ended with the Mughal rule in India. After the end of that, Mughal rule started in India. Now we will say background of the rulers of Delhi, who were there and who came afterwards. See, Delhi first became the capital of kingdom under the Tomar rulers. See, the spelling is wrong, sorry. Tomar rulers. Tomra rulers also, somebody is saying, and Tomar rulers also we are saying. Tomar dynasty also we are saying. So Ananga Pal was the ruler. Ananga Pal was the ruler and the dynasty was the rulers were known as Tomar rulers. So first Delhi was under the kingdom was under the rule of the Tomar rulers were there. Tomars were defeated by Chauhans of Ajmer. See, Tomars were defeated by Chauhans of Ajmer. In previous chapter, the word is coming Chaumanas also, Chauhans also. Both were the same. So Chauhan defeated the Tomars and he took the control of Delhi. He took the control of Delhi. But when the both rulers were there, Tomars were there and after Tomars, Chauhans were there, at that time, Delhi became important commercial center. Delhi became the important commercial center. See, Jaina merchants. Jaina merchants lived there. Who lived there? Jaina merchants were there, and Jaina merchants were those merchants who were dealing with the agriculture products, who were doing the business of trade of agriculture products. Those Jaina merchants were there in Delhi. They constructed temples. They constructed many temples. Delhi was flourished at that time, developed at that time. They minted coins also. Minted coins also. Means they made the coins and they started the coins also. They were called known as Delhi Wal. The coins were known as Delhi Wal, and that coins were used in the trading. That coins were used in the trading also. See, during the time of Tomars and Chauhan Rajputs, Delhi was flourished. Delhi was flourished. Who were there? Jaina merchants were there. Jaina merchants were dealing with the product, agriculture product. They constructed many temples and they minted coins also. That coins were known as the Delhi wall. See, these were the native rulers. These were the native rulers. नेटिव रूलर्स मीन्स हमारे इंडिया के ही रूलर थे वहां पे. दिल्ली वॉज ट्रांसफॉर्म्ड अंडर दिल्ली सुल्तान्स established after the defeat of Prithviraj Chauhan in 1192. See, Delhi was transferred under Delhi Sultan. See, from the native rulers, Delhi came under the control of sultans. नेटिव रूलर हमारे जो काम करते थे उसकी जगह पे अभी सुल्तान्स के हाथ में आ गया. कब से? आफ्टर द डिफीट ऑफ पृथ्वीराज चौहान 3. पृथ्वीराज चौहान को मोहम्मद गोरी ने डिफीट कर दिया और उसके बाद मोहम्मद गोरी टूक द कंट्रोल ऑफ दिल्ली. There were major 5 dynasties that together made the Delhi Sultanate. 5 dynasties worked, 5 dynasties ruled on Delhi, and that 5 dynasties make the Delhi Sultanate. Who were there? Early Turkish rulers, Mamluk or slave dynasty. See, Turkish rulers were there, they were counted as Mamluk or slave dynasty. Mamluk means Arabic word slave. स्लेव का अरबिक वर्ड है मामलुक. मीन्स मीनिंग ऑफ बोथ द थिंग्स वर सेम, मामलुक और स्लेव डायनेस्टी. मेनी प्लेसेस मामलुक डायनेस्टी इज रिटन, दैट इज वाई. खिलजी डायनेस्टी, तुगलक डायनेस्टी, सैयद डायनेस्टी एंड लोधी डायनेस्टी. सी दिस 5 रूलर्स वर देयर, 5 डायनेस्टीज रूल. Rulers of these dynasties ruled over Delhi during the Delhi Sultanate. Now you see, these are the given the dynasties. See, in Delhi Sultanate, what happens? See, previously the Tomars were there. See, it is written Ananga Topal in the 1130 to 1145. After Prithviraj Chauhan defeated him and he took over the control of Delhi during 1175 to 1192. See, these are the native rulers. हमारे इंडिया के ही रूलर्स थे. After that, the Turkish rulers came. See, Prithviraj Chauhan defeated by Muhammad Ghori. Muhammad Ghori defeated Prithviraj Chauhan. He came from Afghanistan, you know. So he came from the outside India, and now the outsiders were ruling. Now early Turkish rulers who were there, Kutubuddin Aybak. See, Muhammad Ghori, and why this is counted as early Turkish rulers were counted as a slave dynasty, because Muhammad Ghori kept the slaves. He has not kept any of his own son or anybody as a ruler. His slaves were working as a ruler. So it was counted as the slave dynasty also. Kutubuddin Aybak was the first person. Kutubuddin Aybak. After Kutubuddin Aybak, Samsuddin Iltutmish. After that, Razia. See, at that time also one female ruler came. And after that, Ghiyasuddin Balban was there. These 4 are from the early Turkish rulers, slave dynasty or Mamluk dynasty. These are from the Mamluk dynasty. Now you will say that after 1192, who was there up to 1206? Muhammad Ghori was there. Then somebody killed him and then he took the slave, his slave became the ruler. After that, Khilji dynasty came. Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji. You know the film Padmavat, the Alauddin Khilji. Ranveer Singh played the role of Alauddin Khilji and he killed his uncle, who was Jalaluddin Khilji. In the movie, it was seen that he killed his uncle and he became the ruler. So he killed his uncle. He was the Jalaluddin Khilji and Alauddin Khilji. After the Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty was there. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad Tughlaq and Firoz Shah Tughlaq. These 3 rulers ruled under the Tughlaq dynasty. After that, Sayyid dynasty, Qaisar Khan was there. And after that, Lodi dynasty, Bahlul Lodi was there. And after Bahlul Lodi, Babur came and the Mughal rule started in India. After this, Mughal rule started in India. So, now you understand, in Delhi, previously native rulers were there. After defeating the native ruler, Muhammad Ghori came in India. He defeated Prithviraj Chauhan and he took the control of Delhi. And then step by step, 5 dynasties worked. Mamluk dynasty or slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty, Tughlaq dynasty, Sayyid dynasty and Lodi dynasty. These all dynasties and rulers of this all dynasty ruled over Delhi. See, obviously they came from outside. They are not from India. So obviously they came out from outside. They changed the scenario of Delhi. They considered some of the things according to their thinking, according to their culture. They introduced some of the things also according to their culture. So social life also changed in Delhi. Culture, mixed culture started coming in Delhi. Thank you.